So what is this figure which I have drawn just now? This is a triangle. Okay, so how many angles does it have? This has 3 angles, isn't it? This has 3 angles, 1, 2 and 3. If you add all these 3 angles, what will be the sum of this all 3 angles? You learned about this concept in your lower classes. The sum of the angles of a triangle is how much? Yes, it's 180 degrees. When you add all the 3 angles of any triangle, that gives you 180 degrees. Hope you remember this concept. Now today we are going to prove this theorem. Okay, we have to prove that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Let's continue with that proof. So here is the theorem which we have to prove. Sum of all angles in a triangle is 180. Very simple. This statement will be given to you. Only this will be given to you in the exam. The rest all you have to prove. Very simple. Let's say step by step. Let's take given. Okay, we'll take a figure or any figure of your choice. I have taken a triangle PQR. You can see here a triangle PQR with angles. What are the angles of this triangle? 1, 2 and 3. We have to prove that 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. We have numbered the angles for our convenience. Next, we will do a little construction. Okay, in theorems we can do constructions if required. So we are drawing a line xy parallel to P, passing through P parallel to QR. Okay, so first we had a triangle PQR, then I am drawing a line xy, you can see here, which is parallel to QR and passing through P. So we have done a little construction. Now xy is parallel to QR. Okay, you can remember, you hope you remember what are alternate angles. So xy is parallel to QR and this PQ is a transversal or not? Yes, it's a transversal. So I can say that angle 2 is equals to 4. These 2 angles will be equal because they are alternate angles. Then for lines xy and qr with transversal PR, again I can say angle 3 is equals to angle 5 because they are also alternate. Okay, you can see xy is parallel to qr and this is a transversal. So which angles are 3 and 5? They are also alternate angles. So we have got 2 pairs of alternate angles. One is 2 is equals to 4, another is 3 is equals to 5. Okay, so using this we'll try to prove this theorem. So 2 is equals to 4 and 3 is equals to 5. Let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Now from here I can say angle 1 plus 4 plus 5 is linear pair. Okay, it gives you 180 degrees. 1 plus 4 plus 5 are angles on a line, so that gives you 180 degrees. In place of 4 I can write 2 because 4 and 2 are equal. In place of 4 I have written 2, you can see here, and in place of 5 I can write 3 because just now we said 5 and 3 are equal. So in place of 5 I will write 3. So in place of 4 I wrote 2, in place of 5 I wrote 3 because they are equal. So finally we get our required to prove, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 180. Hence sum of all the angles of a triangle are equal. Hence this is proved. This is also one of the most important theorem. Everybody must practice it well. Okay.